So, in the beginning only, I have told you that this is very, very easy chapter in our book. You can score good marks for this chapter in your board exam. But there is a big but. There are lot of calculations. So you can make mistakes in a hurry also. And therefore you should be very clear about the basic algebraic addition and subtraction. Many of the students are making mistakes in this only, and therefore they cannot get full marks in these sums. That is the reason. बरेच मुलांना अल्जेब्राइक ॲडिशन, बीजगणितीय वजाबाकी को बेरीज याच्यामध्ये कन्फ्युजन होतं. काय कन्फ्युजन होतं? तर नंबर ॲड केव्हा करायचे, नंबर सबट्रॅक्ट केव्हा करायचे, मग प्रॉडक्टला निगेटिव्ह साईन कधी द्यायची, पॉझिटिव्ह साईन कधी द्यायची, ह्या सगळ्याचं कन्फ्युजन आपल्याला होतं. अँड देअरफोर इफ द साईन इज डिफरंट देन युअर आन्सर इज रॉंग. ओके, सो लेट अस सी सम बेसिक रूल्स to avoid the mistakes, and these rules are very, very important everywhere. Therefore try to understand this. The first very, very important rule is square of the negative number is always positive. That means negative 4 square minus 4 square, don't write it as minus 16 by mistake. It is always positive. That is plus 16. Okay. Then the second important rule, when you add two numbers, there are two possibilities. One possibility is that these two numbers have the same sign, or the second possibility, these two numbers are with different sign. Let us see. If two numbers are with the same sign, either plus or minus, then you have to add the numbers. When you add the numbers, after that you have to give the same sign to the answer. Very simple. Let us try to understand with very simple example. Minus 7 minus 15. These are the two numbers which are with the same sign. 7 sign has minus and 15 sign is minus. Therefore you have to add the numbers. तुम्हाला दोन्हीची बेरीज करायची. 15 plus 7 काय येतं? 22. So you write it 22. Then which is the same sign? Negative. So what is the answer? Minus 22. Now let us take 15 plus 7. It is a normal addition which we do in the first standard. Both the numbers have same sign. 15 sign is not written, that means it is positive. Therefore both the signs have same. Add the number, it is 22, and give the same sign, that is plus. So it is plus 22. We never write positive sign behind the number, therefore we write only 22 as the answer. Okay. Now second possibility is what? Two numbers are with different sign. Two numbers are with different sign. Let us understand. Minus 15 plus 7. Now the numbers are same, 15 and 7. But these two numbers have different sign. When the two numbers are with different sign, first you have to subtract the numbers. 15 minus 7 is what? 8. So we will write the answer as 8. Then second point is you have to give the sign of the bigger number. Which is the bigger number here? 15 is the bigger number. Therefore we write as negative 8 or minus 8. Understood? Now if we write as 15 minus 7. Now 15, behind 15 no sign, that means it is positive. So here again the two signs are different. It is actually a normal subtraction in first or second standard. But try to understand in an algebraic way. 15 has positive sign, 7 has negative sign. Two numbers are with different sign. Subtract the number. The subtraction is 8. Give the sign of the bigger number. Bigger number is 15. The sign is positive, so it is positive 8. Understood this? So these are the basic things. Now what about multiplication and division? Multiplication and division have two different rules. It's very simple. Product or quotient of the two numbers with the same sign is always positive. Is always positive. दोन संख्या ज्यांची चिन्ह सारखी आहेत तेव्हा त्यांचा गुणाकार किंवा भागाकार हा नेहमी धन येतो. ओके, लेट अस अंडरस्टँड दिस. -15 multiplied by -7. Two numbers are with the same sign. 15 into 7 is 105. Therefore, 105 is the answer. Two numbers are with the same sign, so the answer will be positive only. So it will be plus 105. You did not write the sign plus behind 105. Now, if you check the division also, -105 divided by -15. Here the two numbers are with the same sign, negative. So the answer is what? 7 with positive sign, plus 7. Now the second rule is what? When the two numbers are with different sign, then the product as well as the quotient of these two numbers is always negative. Remember this. So if we take -15 multiplied by 7, here two numbers are with different sign, the answer will be negative, and 15 sevens are 105. So -105 is the answer. Similarly, if you take the division, -105 divided by +15, here two numbers are with different sign. Therefore, the answer is negative with -7 as the answer.